Hello all. I had a comment on my other video as a video request to see this here humidifier. Definitely looks 60s or 70s era. I'm gonna fire it up and show it off. I plugged it in, but I didn't fire it up yet. I put 5 gallons of water in it, and I'm not sure what kind of noise it makes, so I'll silence the room. It's a freaking mess in here. Alright. Yeah, I'm working on the G. That's drying up. Came out pretty nice. I'll be doing the feathers too. I got a few projects I'm dicking around with tonight. I'm actually sober too, believe it or not. Alright, see what we got. Fan, try slumber. Being I'm working on a slumber line air conditioner. Probably because I don't have the humidistat up. But first, we'll take a look at the back of it. But I can't turn the flash on. I can get some light in here. There we go. Looks like a 3-bay, but it's one single tray. I put a 5-gallon bucket of water. It has a filter in it, but the filter's pretty much dry rotting on me. Which I'm not really too worried about it right now, but yeah, it's dry rotting. It's crumbling away as I touch it. Alright. Well, let's push that back in. The room's silent. The door's not a flip door, it just sits on top of it, like so. And when you need it, you take it off. It sits on there good. Let's see what we got. It has a gauge on it. It's always reading empty for some reason, even though according to that, it's good. It's a pretty neat looking control panel. It's already pretty humid out here, so it might not kick in right away. But it has a constant run, so we're good. Nothing's happening. Hold up. Yeah, I don't know what the hell's going on. I have it set to constant run slumber. I hear it humming. You can hear it clicking. I would say that's probably why they threw it out. Well, anyway, let's go over. Maybe it'll start moving. Who the hell knows? Kind of like the old well-built Super Alaskas or some of the old 50s units. Like I've never seen one in person, but they say the Kelvinator had these goofy. I know the old Emersons did in the 50s. Instead of having louvers, they just had these square things you could turn in each direction. One facing left to right, top, bottom. One's facing down, blowing that way down. And that one will blow over that way, and that one will blow up. Oh, cool! Check this out. I need to get like a tripod or something. I'll make certain videos easier to shoot. Girl's cracked right there. I don't know. Anyway, it's a brand called Sunbeam. Actually, if I'm not mistaken, don't they make some of those piece of shit modern air conditioners? At least they did 10 years ago. I don't know. But anyway, that's all I got for tonight. And let me know what you think about the non-working humidifier. And if I do get it working, I'll do a follow-up video for you guys. I've never seen anything like this before, ever.